Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will want to pull out the little cover that is located on the right or left side of the device. So right over here, opposite to the volume keys, which are right here. You can see there is a little place where you can use your fingernail, pull it off, and here you will have space for one SIM card and one SD card. So if we kind of flip it like this, you can see right here icons for them, so SIM and SD, and you want to place them the same way that it's visible on the image. So you grab SD and align it, it would go this way. So let's just move that out of the way. Now I'll be using a SIM eject tool, which normally is used to actually eject the tray, but here it's going to be nice to actually push the card in. As you can see, it needs to click in place, and then the same thing goes for the SIM card, which you will place this way. So again, there we go, and again using the little tool, I'll push it in. My fingernails aren't long enough to actually get it in there with those, so the tray is nice, or the tool is nice. So once you have inserted it into the device, we can now, let me just flip it over, there we go. So you can already see that this SD card is working. Now SIM card will work once you reboot the device, so you will need to do that before it will start working, unfortunately. But that is how you insert those, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.